gonna break it down. We're gonna put it in slow and break it down. Don't go like, what's this?
We're gonna put it in super slow-mo. Break it down.
Wait for the drop, bro. Just wait for the drop.
You'll know when the drop comes. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
You got this.
Shake that.
Keep going, Ryan.
There's no backing out.
Keep going, don't stop. You got this. What the fuck is this thing?
What the shit?
No! Do like your marching and skipping.
God damn it.
See?
He's getting there.
That's a lot closer. It's better.
That's a lot. You're getting close. You gotta not have your arms like this when you're shuffling. You're not doing the robot. That's not narrow. I'm saying don't have your arms like this, like when you go like that.
Oh shit, he's got it somewhat.
You gotta get your legs up higher.
You gotta like march kind of.
Burning! My god, man, this isn't fucking boot camp, it is shuffling!
Shake that.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Fuck.